guys, this is Emily from Store More Sheds. We just built this 8x12 custom lean-to and we're so excited to show you the entire build process from start to finish. If you have a yard with limited space, then going with a lean-to style might be a great option for you. One advantage with this design is that we can place the shed right up against your house, a fence, or other existing structures. With traditional roof designs, this wouldn't be a good idea because it could create issues with rainwater running back towards the structure it's up against. But with the lean-to, the roof is only sloped in one direction, so this wouldn't be a cause for concern. If you are enjoying the video, then please subscribe to our channel. A concrete slab was poured a few weeks before we arrived. This makes for a really nice base, but isn't required. Compacted gravel works well, and we can also use concrete blocks under the pressure-treated skids to get it up off the ground. Or we offer a galvanized steel base if you prefer steel instead of the wood. The features on this build include horizontal cottage lap siding, a 6x1 fixed window, and 2 roll-up doors. Our standard roll-up doors are white, but our customers' garage doors are painted black, and they really want this building to tie in nicely with their home. So we are installing black doors to match. They are going to look awesome and give the shed a real custom finish. Since the back high wall goes up against the house, we will attach the siding and trim before we stand it up. This lean-to is on the taller side. The interior low wall starts at just under 8 feet, which makes the high wall well over 9 feet. And after accounting for the floor and roof frame, it makes the tallest part of the shed on the outside of the building just over 10 feet tall. One reason for the added height is to accommodate for the roll-up doors. They take up about 16 inches of space above the opening. This is so they have room to spin and can operate correctly. If we were building under the eave of a house and were restricted on height, then the roll-up doors wouldn't work very well, and going with a swing door would be a better option. This build has a basic overhang, but we do offer extending the roofline 6 or 12 inches as well. This can give the shed a more grand appearance. It's not very common for a shed this size to have 2 doors, but there isn't much room between the shed and the fence, so having the 2 large openings actually works perfect in this situation. It will be really nice to come out of the back garage door and have easy access to the building. These fixed windows have become pretty popular in recent years. They put out lots of natural light and dress up the shed as well. They generally go up towards the top of the wall and take up less wall space than your standard window design. It's amazing how closely the shed is tying in with the house. It will hardly be noticed and look like everything was built at the same time. All right, we are all wrapped up here. Let's go check this out. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoy the video.